How did you manage to catch a bird? Kitty. Oh my goodness, guys. Kitten catch a bird. How did you catch a bird? Guys, oh my. This bird is alive. I don't know what to do. I don't think he's gonna make it. Oh no. Why did you do that? Come here. Why you do that? No. Are you gonna eat it? The poor little bird. Guys, the bird is still alive. I don't know what to do because he's not gonna make it, I'm sure. Why cats always do that? Why they always do that? Playing with the bird. Here. Why are you doing that to the bird? Why are you doing that to the bird? Poor birdie. Poor birdie. Poor birdie. Where are you? Can you eat it, please? At least do something with it. And stop playing with it. Oh my goodness. Why did you let them do that? Why you let them do that? Man. At least eat it. Pia. Pia. At least eat the bird, please. It is served for food, not play with it. Got the feathers, guys, all over the place. Oh boy. Guys, I feel bad for the little bird. Got the little bird, guys. Got the little bird. Got the little bird. Oh my. Let the people see the bird. Let us see the bird. Let us see the bird. Let us see the bird. The bird is dead now. Let me see the bird. Messing up the place with the bird. You guys are killers. Animal killers. Guys, the kitten killed the bird. They killed the little bird. It's so sad, but he's already dead now. Pia, are you gonna eat it? You're just dragging it all over the place. Sorry for the bird, guys. Sarah eating part of the feather. Sarah, I think you're the culprit, you know. I think you catch it and give it to them because they could never catch a flying bird. Anyway, guys, we out. Peace. Trying to look at bird.